Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the gear. Confirm both monitors have DisplayPort inputs and that you have a compatible DP cable. Once done, power down the PC and monitors and unplug them to avoid shorts. Next, locate the DP port on your graphics card and on each monitor. Make sure you plan which monitor is primary versus secondary. Now plug one end into the GPU and the other into the first monitor, making sure the connector clicks. Hold steady and avoid forcing it. Once the first monitor is secure, connect the second monitor to another DP port on the GPU. Pay attention to port numbering so you can track inputs later. After both DP cables are seated, reattach power to monitors and the PC, then boot. During startup, watch for image on both displays. If only one shows, open your operating system display settings to detect the second monitor manually. Make sure the cables are fully inserted and that the monitor input source is set to DisplayPort. You finish by arranging screens in your OS. Set the primary display, adjust resolution and refresh rate, and align orientation so the cursor flows correctly. If you're daisy chaining, make sure multi-stream transport is enabled in the monitor OSD and that the GPU supports MSD. Finally, if a monitor shows no signal, test by swapping DP cables and ports. Try each monitor individually, and update GPU drivers. This single swap often reveals whether the cable, port, or monitor is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.